In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix YouTube TV home area family sharing restrictions. Method 1. Check account requirements. The first reason why YouTube TV family sharing isn't working could be that their account doesn't meet the requirements. Method 2. Sign out of other family groups. As we mentioned it in Method 1, you can't be a member of any other family group. If you already are, you need to sign out of other family groups. To do so, go to YouTube TV, click on Settings Family Sharing, Manage Leave Family Group, then confirm it by entering your password. Method 3. Update the YouTube TV app. Another reason for YouTube TV family sharing not working is that an update to the YouTube TV app hasn't been completed. Method 4. Restart your device. If the fixes described above still do not resolve this issue, please try restarting your mobile device. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.